Hi, this is Dave here, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to install and configure the Square payment gateway for RazorCart. Square is a really popular POS system, so it's a good one to have on your website. Process payments on the website as well. So the first step is to download the Square extension from either the DNN store or from our website. So if you want to go to our website, and then click the Buy Now and scroll to the bottom, and you see the Square Payment Gateway right there. So you want to download that and then go to your DNN portal. I got a DNN 9 portal up here, and you go to your extension. So you just install the Square extension just like you would any other extension in DNN. I've already got it installed, so I'm going to repair and install it. Okay. All right, so it installed successfully, and you can see the Square extension right here, along with all the other payment gateway extensions that we have for RazorCart. Okay, so everything's looking good so far. Okay, so the next step is to go in and configure your payment gateway in RazorCart. So I'm just going to wait for my DNN portal here to reload, because anytime you install new DLLs to your bin folder, it's going to flush everything out of the cache and reset. Okay, back to the product list page. Okay, so let's go into the RazorCart admin. Go to store setup, payment. Okay, so if you have a brand new install, then you're going to have to create a new payment method. You would say, click this button called add payment method. You would need to create a credit card payment method. Okay, I already have my credit card payment method, so I'm just going to edit this one and change the gateway. Okay, so you would just type in this method name. You can type in whatever you want there. It's just a label. It gets displayed to the user during checkout. You want to make sure the active flag is checked, and then choose the credit card payment method. The gateway dropdown, choose Square. So Square hosted means that the actual credit card is entered on the Square site. Okay, so we got Square hosted, and you don't need to put anything for surcharge percentage or surcharge amount. That's if you want to charge an additional percent or dollar amount added to the order. They use that payment method. So for Square, the only two credentials that you need are the email and your access token. So the email, and then the access token. Okay, so to get the access token is you got to log on to your Square account. I'm using the sandbox right now, so I'm going to go down to the sandbox, and I'm going to cut and paste the token, go back to my RazorCart, paste it in. Saved. Okay, I always like to clear the cache when I change gateways, just because it's a good idea. Okay, So now I got the Square payment gateway. So now I'm going to go test the checkout. Exit the RazorCart admin. Okay, I'll just add the Halo product. Okay, so Square is a hosted gateway, meaning you enter your credit card at Square, so that means that you don't have the standard credit card fields here. So everything's auto-populated for me because I am logged in. And you're just going to review your order and click checkout. Okay, this is the confirmation screen just to confirm everything. Oh, okay, so got an error. I think it's my currency is set up incorrectly. So it says this in the error, invalid value. The business can only process payments in USD. So I set up my Square account and told them that I was from the United States using United States currency, but I think I have my store set up for Australia because I was doing some testing there. So let's check that out. So this is actually good that we had this error because you guys might have this similar type of error or setup issue. Okay, so I'm going to go into my store setup here, and yep, so I have Australia as my currency, so I'm going to change that to US. Save. Exit. I'm just going to go right to the checkout. Okay, so I got redirected this time. So now I'm at the Square website, Sandbox account, and I'm just going to put in the standard test card. Okay, everything looks good. Place order. Whoops. Okay, so it looks like I got an error again. Let me try this one more time because it might have been, I made some changes, changed my currency. So I'm gonna go ahead and empty the cart and try this one more time. I'm gonna go in and just restart one more time because I didn't do that last time. Okay, so let's just clear cache and restart the application, exit. Okay, it looks like it's been declined. It might be because of the credit card I was using. But I'm not sure. Anyway, so that's how you set up the Square Payment Gateway. And if you have any questions about the setting up the Square Payment Gateway, please either give us a call or email us at support@smithconsulting.com. Thanks for watching.